Naturalist duties as assigned, cleaning out last season's bee boxes. I would put this at the top of my dirty jobs list for this year so far in 2018. It was absolutely disgusting. Let me flip this around and I'll show you the boxes. So first our shed, we have a little stack of beekeeping equipment in here. This is after me cleaning it out. Here is the carnage from the past year. Holy cow. And the world's biggest mouse nest came out of one of our boxes-ish. These are going to be most likely junked frames. If there's frames I can salvage, great. We'll see if we can rewire them. And then I've got a little cleaning project coming up with boxes. These are the deep boxes for the brood and the main part of the hive in the spring. This stack, the first 3 are going to be junk because they're falling apart, and the 5 farther back we'll repaint and see if we can recycle for this year. Hello, we're continuing with Naturalist Dirty Jobs. My dad is over here. Hi, Bob.
Hi.
We're cleaning bee stuff, and we found a container that had what was supposed to be kindling, which is where some of our old junky frames are going, but instead it was filled with, here, looks like poop water. So now as you walk out of the back of the building, it smells like you have found a manure pile at Lowry Nature Center.
Say, Laurel, do you see the mice who tried to swim out of the bucket that was left and filled up?
Oh yes, it was manure and mice. And here's what we're actually cleaning up. Mouse mummies in the kindling bucket. Sad. These frames have some damage. I'm not sure if we'll keep them. And if I flip this box around, it has a crack all the way through. Again, we'll probably paint, but don't know if I should reuse it again this year. Also, beekeepers, what do you do to mouse-proof your off-season equipment? We have a garden shed, but it gets overrun every single season. And we don't have a lot of space in our building. So if you have ideas that work that are kind of simple, that would be awesome. I am interested to hear. Ew, I think I just sat in some mouse crap. Ish. Here's someone who enjoyed the bee boxes through winter.